To Titan Trading channel. Here in this channel, we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. We'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock, and I'll be sharing my personal opinion based on my knowledge of technical analysis that I've acquired as a full-time trader. Before we begin in this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say in this video as buy and sell calls. If you wish to be a successful and profitable trader, you must be able to conduct your own research and come up with your own decision when executing your trades. Okay, so in this video, we'll be following up on CYPARK BHD that I've covered about, say, 1 or 2 weeks ago. Alright, so on the daily chart, definitely not looking so good. Right, if you remember from our previous video, we were I think it was hovering around here when it retraced, right, where it formed the support around 1 ringgit, and then unfortunately today it just retraced quite a bit. Actually, over the past few weeks, it actually retraced from the peak around 32% already. So it's actually quite bearish here on the daily chart. So yeah, before further ado, let's zoom in and see what's the next support level, because on the daily chart actually we can't really see much, as it was a parabolic rally, so there's not much to refer here on the daily chart. So we have to zoom into the hourly charts to see how it goes. So I think 4-hour chart should be looking quite good. Okay, so let me pull out my Fibo. Okay, and support here. Alright, so previously, if you remember, it was forming some sort of consolidation pattern here like this. It's actually a symmetrical triangle if you look closer, right? But this symmetrical triangle resulted in a sell down, which happens also, right? Remember, symmetrical triangles are patterns where they form a higher low and lower high, and then towards the end it either breaks out or it just go down. And for this CYPARK, it went down, right? Now, looking at the chart here, I think the support we can refer to would be around 79 to 80 cents, which is this level, if you can see here, where we can sort of use this as reference for the support, right? So perhaps it could retrace all the way back towards the 79 to 80 cents level, form a base, consolidate a little bit, and then we have to see how it goes from there, right? If the 79 support if the 79 cent support isn't able to hold, then we might see a further consolidation, further retracement back towards this level, the 69 to 70 cents level, where the previous consolidation range were during January for around 1 to 2 weeks. So if able to hold, hopefully, if it's on an uptrend, maybe it will form some kind of maybe something like that, a large descending triangle pattern, right, where it could just consolidate up down, and then break out. Or if it's very weak, then it might break below this 79 cents support and go all the way towards 69 cents to consolidate even further, and by then it's most likely a distribution already from there. But just an additional information, over the past 1 or 2 weeks, there were more buyers around here, that not the retailer buyers, but substantial shareholder buyers that bought millions of shares around this region. And unfortunately, like I've mentioned in my past video, where you can check it out, right, just because a shareholder or a new boss or new shareholder new investor buys in at a higher price, it does not mean that the share price has to sustain at a higher price, right? Share price is determined by market sentiment and the overall supply and demand of the market. And for now, the market is not looking so good, and it is not actually too surprising to see stocks like CYPARK being thrown down back towards the support level. But if it's an uptrend, it should hold above this level, right? Hopefully, right? If it's a healthy uptrend, hopefully it will hold above this level, consolidate, right, form its descending triangle pattern, consolidate a little bit, and then perhaps it can go back up. Or if shit hits the fan, then after some consolidation around this support, then you might go back down towards the 69 or 56 cents level, right? Which is what we don't want to see. So yeah, that's my update for CYPARK for now. Do give us a like and share our video to your friends if you find our information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for more upcoming videos. I'll be covering CYPARK in the coming days and weeks. Yep, have fun trading.